Welcome back to the T6 camper conversion. In this episode we're going to be fitting a dash cam. So the dash cam we're going to be fitting is a neck-based dash cam, and we're going to do this with a fuse tap, and then we've got the SD card to go with as well. We're going to run this off a fuse tap off the fuse board in the van. In this van, the fuse box is relatively easy to find. This is the centre console. It's literally just behind this panel here, which has a pull tab, so it kind of just comes off, and then behind it we've got our fuse board. Using a multimeter, we're going to test which fuse comes on with accessory power when the key is turned. So the fuse I've chosen to use is the middle one here, this 7.5 amp one, and so I'm going to run the fuse tap to that one. I've tested it comes on with accessory power, so I'm going to run the fuse tap off that one. The dashcam fuse is already installed. I'm going to put the existing circuit fuse into that other slot. With that now installed, I'm now going to run the ground spin, and I'm going to use one of these existing bolts in the dashboard. I'm just going to take this off and put the spade connector under that. With that now installed, we can now test the dash cam. So we're just going to switch on the car. Yep, so that is working. So we can now run the wire for the dash cam up to the top of the windscreen. With the wiring now run, that concludes the dash cam install. So we can just put the fuse box cover back on. And that's the dash cam installed.